Welcome to our channel Careative. In this detailed video, we will dive into the fascinating aspects of blackberries, from their origin and growth to their uses and nutritional benefits, and we will walk you through the art of selecting the juiciest and ripest blackberries while avoiding thorns and ensuring the best quality harvest. And also we'll delve into the nutritional richness of these berries and how they can contribute to your overall well-being. We'll walk you through the rewarding journey of cultivating these delicious and versatile berries in your own garden. The origins of blackberries. Blackberries belong to the genus Rubus of the Rosaceae family. These delectable fruits are believed to have originated in Europe and have been enjoyed for centuries due to their unique taste and versatility. Growth and harvesting. Blackberries typically grow on thorny bushes that can reach various heights. They thrive in a wide range of climates, from temperate to subtropical regions. The fruit starts as small green berries that gradually turn red and then darken to the familiar deep black color when fully ripe. A farmer wearing gloves gently harvesting ripe blackberries. Harvesting blackberries requires careful handling to avoid damaging the delicate fruits. Farmers usually pick them by hand, making sure to select only the ripest berries for consumption. Culinary and culinary uses. Blackberries are not only delicious but also incredibly versatile in the kitchen. They can be enjoyed fresh as a snack, added to breakfast bowls, or used as a topping for desserts like cakes, ice cream, and yogurt. A chef preparing a blackberry sauce. Blackberries can also be transformed into sauces, jams, and jellies, adding a burst of flavor to both sweet and savory dishes. Their rich color and sweet tart taste make them a favorite ingredient among chefs. The art of picking blackberries. Choosing the right time. Timing is crucial when picking blackberries. Wait until they are fully ripe, which is when they have turned a deep black color and are slightly soft to the touch. Ripe blackberries are sweeter and more flavorful. Gathering supplies. Before you start picking, gather the necessary supplies. Wear a long-sleeved shirt and gloves to protect your skin from thorns. Bring a shallow basket to prevent crushing the delicate berries. The picking process. Now, let's dive into the picking process. Step 1. Approach the bush. Approach the blackberry bush gently and avoid stepping on the surrounding plants. This helps preserve the plant and its future fruit. Step 2. Inspect and select. Inspect the cluster of berries. Look for plump, fully black berries. Avoid berries that are still red or have any signs of mold or damage. Step 3. Use a gentle twist. To pick a blackberry, use a gentle twisting motion. Hold the berry between your thumb and forefinger and twist it slightly until it detaches from the stem. Step 4. Collect in the basket. Place the picked blackberries carefully in your basket, arranging them in a single layer to prevent squishing. Avoid overfilling the basket, as this can crush the lower berries. Handling with care. Handle the blackberries with care to maintain their quality. Step 1. Avoid overhandling. Minimize handling and touching the berries as much as possible to prevent bruising. Hold them by the sides or underneath to protect their delicate texture. Step 2. Keep cool. If you're picking a large quantity of blackberries, consider bringing a cooler or insulated bag to keep them cool. Heat can cause them to spoil quickly. Wrapping up. Congratulations! You've successfully picked a bountiful harvest of blackberries. The nutritional wonders of blackberries. Nutrient-rich powerhouse. Blackberries are a true superfood, bursting with a wide array of essential nutrients that support various aspects of health. Step 1. Vitamins and minerals. Blackberries are rich in vitamins, particularly vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in immune function and collagen production. They also provide vitamin K for bone health and folate for cellular growth. Step 2. Antioxidant richness. One of the standout benefits of blackberries is their high antioxidant content. Antioxidants help protect your cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Potential health benefits. Research suggests that consuming blackberries may lead to a range of health advantages. Step 1. Heart health. The fiber, potassium, and antioxidants in blackberries may contribute to heart health by helping regulate blood pressure, reducing cholesterol levels, and supporting overall cardiovascular function. Step 2. Digestive health. The fiber content in blackberries promotes healthy digestion by supporting regular bowel movements and fostering a balanced gut microbiome. Step 3. Cognitive function. Blackberries' potential cognitive benefits are attributed to their antioxidants, which may help protect brain cells from oxidative stress and contribute to healthy brain aging. Step 4. Skin health. The vitamins and antioxidants in blackberries can help maintain skin health, promoting collagen production and protecting against UV-induced damage. Incorporating blackberries into your diet. Adding blackberries to your diet is a delightful and nutritious endeavor. Step 1. Fresh enjoyment. The simplest way to enjoy blackberries is fresh. Add them to your breakfast cereal, yogurt, or salads for a burst of flavor and nutrition. Step 2. Culinary creations. Blackberries can be used in both sweet and savory dishes. Create jams, sauces, smoothies, and baked goods that showcase their wonderful taste. Cultivating Blackberry Bliss, a comprehensive guide to growing blackberries. Choosing the right variety. Selecting the right blackberry variety is the first step to a successful harvest. Step 1. Research and selection. Research various blackberry varieties to determine which ones are best suited for your climate, available space, and intended use. Step 2. Consider growth habit. Blackberries come in erect and trailing varieties. Erect varieties are more compact and can be grown with minimal support, while trailing types require trellising for proper growth. Preparing the site. Creating the optimal growing environment is crucial for successful blackberry cultivation. Step 1. Choose a sunny location. Select a spot in your garden that receives at least 6-8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Blackberries thrive in full sun. Soil preparation. Prepare the soil by tilling it to a depth of about 12 inches and incorporating organic matter like compost to improve drainage and fertility. Planting blackberries. Planting blackberries correctly sets the stage for healthy growth and abundant fruiting. Step 1. Digging holes. Dig holes that are large enough to accommodate the blackberry plant's root system, typically about 2 feet apart for erect varieties and 4-6 feet for trailing varieties. Step 2. Planting depth. Plant the blackberry bushes at the same depth they were growing in their nursery containers. Backfill the holes with soil and gently tamp it down. Care and maintenance. Providing proper care ensures that your blackberry plants thrive and produce abundant berries. Step 1. Watering. Water the plants regularly, keeping the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. A soaker hose or drip irrigation system can be beneficial. Step 2. Mulching. Apply a layer of organic mulch, such as straw or wood chips, around the base of the plants to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Step 3. Trellising. For trailing varieties, install a trellis system to support the vines. Train the canes to grow along the trellis, keeping them off the ground. Step 4. Pruning. Prune the blackberry canes according to the specific variety's pruning requirements. Regular pruning helps maintain plant health and encourage fruit production. Harvesting blackberries. The moment you've been waiting for. The bountiful harvest of your homegrown blackberries. Step 1. Ripe and ready. Harvest blackberries when they turn a deep black color, are plump, and easily detach from the plant with a gentle tug. Step 2. Gentle handling. Handle the berries with care to avoid damaging them. Place harvested blackberries in a shallow container to prevent crushing. Congratulations! You've successfully embarked on the journey of growing your own blackberries. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that after watching this video you will be able to understand what are blueberries and how to pick blueberries and benefits of blueberries and how to grow blueberries. If this video is helpful to you, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel for more these types of videos. Thank you again. Goodbye.